Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and welcome to 10-Minute Motivational Monday. I am joining some other lovely ladies here on YouTube to bring you 10 minutes of motivation to get yourself either cleaning, decluttering, or organizing your home for this Monday. The link to the playlist will be in my description box. I encourage you to check it out and show the ladies some love and hit that subscribe button when you visit their channel. I'm working on some organizing in my office/DIY area, and the first thing I'm going to do is put together this shelving unit to kind of get my DIY and craft items a little bit better organized. All right, here is the shelving I'm going to be putting together. It's called the Pop It origami shelving. I actually have 4 large ones in this room. I have one for what I sell on eBay, and I have one like for holiday decorations. This is a smaller one, and I'm going to put this together, and then we're going to organize all of my crafty items, the little things I use for my DIY videos. And if you did not know, I do have a main channel where I do nothing but DIYs and thrifting videos. I will leave a link to it in case you're interested in checking it out. And now my shelving unit is all put together. As you saw, it only took a couple of minutes. That's why I love the origami shelving units. Now I'm just putting in the little wood stands to kind of make things sit a little bit more even. You only get about 4 with these, but I don't really need a lot because a lot of the things I'm putting on here are flat anyway. But I love how this looks, and it's just the right size for all the items I need to organize. And now I'm removing everything from the console behind my desk. I love this little unit. I bought it for about $70 at my local thrift store. As you can see on this one side, there's quite a bit of craft items. So I really just want to go through and purge and organize everything in there so I can use my console for other things that don't pertain to DIYs. This little caddy I created in a challenge probably 2 years ago on my main channel. I think it's so cute. It's actually some salad bowls that I painted and put on this Lazy Susan. It comes in so handy for all of my paint and, yes, nail polishes. I also use those in some of my DIY projects.
Did you know you shine and I'm falling for the way you smile? You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion, you are. So never fall in line, you just gotta do it mile by mile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion, you are.
And now I'm just going to arrange everything on these shelves. You will see that I kind of go back and forth because I want it to serve a purpose, but I also want it to look nice since it is going to be out in the open. I don't want it to look cluttered. All of the containers I have, these were items I already had upstairs that I used in my closet at one time, and when I was through using them, I kept them. I love the colors. They're, very neutral, even the blue. So I am just using those to kind of hide everything that I had in the console so it doesn't look so, messy and busy sitting out on the shelves.
I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step in.
And now I'm just going to remove all the trash and start on the rugs. I absolutely love these rugs. They are a dupe for the ones from Pottery Barn. If I can find the link where I bought them, I will list it in my description box. I love them, but these are jute rugs and they do trap a lot of dirt. So I have to do this at least once a week where I sweep it first and then I get my Dyson out to vacuum everything up. They're very beautiful, but once again, jute rugs can really hold a lot of dirt.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger.
And now I'm going to spray the rugs with a little bit of Febreze. This is the unscented. I prefer it over the scented because sometimes the scented Febreze is a little strong for me.
Baby, I do. Baby,
And here is my shelving unit. I love how all of this looks, but I'm the type of person, I'll probably change it around just to fit my needs. As you can see here on top, I have a lot of my ribbon and twine. On the side, I just have, little items. Those little containers came from the Dollar Tree. Very cute. And I have just odds and ends. Like I said, a lot of stuff I don't want sitting out. I'm the type of person, if I see too much stuff sitting out, it kind of makes me anxious. And yes, I do have some empty ones here. So if I find other things, I can just put them in there. The white boxes are from IKEA. They're so great. And there is my little Lazy Susan for all of my paints. So cute. And my glue gun, glue sticks, and other glue items. And on the bottom, I just have some Elmer's glue wall and a laminator.
why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good.
I love when my little DIY area gets clean. It makes me feel so good because these get so messy during the week when I'm filming my DIY videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist linked in the description box, and I will see you at the next video. Bye, loves.
Making it brighter right through the gray.